Ever catch yourself daydreaming about the perfect home? Perhaps you've wondered about the steps that transform those dreams into a tangible plan. Today, we unveil the secrets behind designing a home plan, taking you through the journey from defining an architectural style to ensuring compliance with building codes. Every home begins with an architectural style. This could be modern, traditional, contemporary, colonial, or any number of styles. It's this style that sets the tone for the rest of the house. Next comes the floor plan. This is where you decide the layout of each floor, including the placement of rooms, walls, doors, and windows. It's essential to think about the flow of traffic, functionality, and flexibility of spaces at this stage. Then, each room gets its own design. You allocate spaces for bedrooms, bathrooms, the kitchen, living room, dining room, and any other spaces you desire. Here, size and orientation of each room are key considerations. The kitchen and bathrooms have their own unique considerations. The layout of the kitchen includes the placement of appliances, cabinets, countertops, and perhaps a kitchen island. Bathroom layouts specify the location of fixtures like sinks, toilets, showers, and bathtubs. Storage is another crucial aspect of home design. Ample storage spaces like closets, pantries, and storage rooms are included to meet the household's needs. Then there are the special features. These are the elements that make a house a home. Think fireplaces, built-in bookshelves, or custom architectural details. Windows and doors aren't just functional, they're also a part of the design. Their location and size should optimize natural light and ventilation. Energy-efficient options are worth considering. Outdoor spaces add an extra dimension to home design. Planning for patios, decks, balconies, or porches, as well as landscaping elements and outdoor amenities, brings the outside in. HVAC and utility planning is another crucial step. This involves designing the layout for heating, ventilation, air conditioning systems, and planning utility rooms for laundry, water heaters, and other mechanical systems. The placement of electrical outlets, switches, and lighting fixtures is part of the electrical and lighting design. Energy-efficient lighting solutions are a smart choice here. It's also important to ensure that the design complies with accessibility standards, providing features for individuals with mobility challenges. Safety features such as smoke detectors, fire extinguishers, and emergency exits are incorporated into the plan, prioritizing the well-being of the home's inhabitants. The aesthetic of the exterior, including materials, colors, and landscaping, is another consideration that contributes to the overall charm of a home. Finally, compliance with local building codes and regulations is a must. Working with professionals, such as architects and designers, when creating a home plan is advisable. They ensure that the design meets structural and regulatory requirements while reflecting the preferences and needs of the homeowners. So, there you have it. The path from a dream home to a home plan involves a series of well-thought-out steps, each contributing to the final design that eventually becomes a comfortable, functional, and beautiful living space. Each home is a unique blend of architectural style, practical considerations, and personal preferences. The result? A place you can truly call home.